I know for me, beforehand, I sort of assumed places like this just existed. I didn't really consider who was actually going about putting in all the fences, clearing all the paths, even blowing leaves off at the end of autumn just to make things a bit clearer. And now it's so clear how it does take a lot of work to keep things looking presentable and safe. Every week of the year there's work that needs to be done, and we'll be out here often in the rain. We're here at Pwllcrochan Local Nature Reserve, and I'm doing the yearly site safety audit, which is going around and checking the non-natural things on the site. So whether it's the bridges, waymarker posts, information boards, benches, making sure that everything's safe. We're also looking just at the condition of the path, whether there's any imminently hazardous trees which are at risk of damaging a main path or a highway, just keeping everything in good condition. Real world experience is really great, and I love working here. I think it's a very good place to do it, and I feel very lucky to have this position.
Ymunwch â thîm Conwy. Conwy.gov.uk/swyddi.